Hi everyone. It is around 12:30, quarter of 1 on a Sunday afternoon, and we are headed to Strasburg Railroad, and we right now are in Gap, Pennsylvania. And we just turned left off of Route 30. So this road is Chestnut Street, and it's going to take us to the Gap Town Clock. And isn't this so cute? I love this little part of town here. I love the church and the homes all around it. It's just like, it's really cute here. And now we're turning right onto Bridge Street. And right here on the right is a cheese shop. We want to check that out. I think it's called like the Gap Clock Tower Cheese Shop. If anybody's been in there, let us know. They're only open on the weekends though, so we'll have to stop back, another time. And we just crossed over Route 41, and now we're going to be turning right here to Strasburg Road. And this road is just a straight shot all the way to the Strasburg Railroad. It's also Route 741, and we're headed west. And today's another cold day. It's about 27, but it's windy, and that wind chill just makes, if you have skin that's exposed, it just makes your skin hurt like within 5 minutes. We were just outside doing a little bit of yard cleanup. We had some strong winds. We were picking up some sticks, and both of our hands and our face, like where it was exposed, was just like burning within 5 minutes. So hopefully we're bundled up enough today, because it is another cold one, and we're going to be outside filming the Strasburg Railroad, but I know it gets windy where we're going to be on those fields. It's always windy up at these, open fields and farmlands. And the railroad tracks there to the right, that's not part of the Strasburg Railroad, that's the Amtrak line. So the Strasburg Railroad is up a little ways. And today's a Sunday afternoon, and I see a lot of Amish folks, riding their bikes or on their scooters, walking on horse and buggies. But I know they travel quite a distance, and it is so cold. I just feel like they're cold today walking. It's just with that wind. Oh my gosh. So hopefully they have good wool clothing and they're warm because it is just bitterly cold today. So it's pretty quiet, in Lancaster County in the winter. It's not quite as busy with tourism and stuff like that. So with the Strasburg Railroad, they're only running their trains on the weekends. So, a lot of times on my day off of work, I would run up here on a Friday. That's when I would normally have off. But, now we are going to just stop up here on the weekend because they're only running trains on Saturday and Sunday. It's kind of nice, though, because it's not so jam-packed with people. It's just kind of it's cold, but it's a nice time of year, and it's still so beautiful outside. And this area here is Paradise, Lancaster County. So we're, in Gap, and then the next little town is Kinzers, and then Paradise. And then this intersection here is Belmont Road. And if you would turn right here onto Belmont, it would take you back out to Route 30 around the Zook's chicken pie place that I love so much. So, of course, I know how to get there from every location. And coming up on the right, we're going to be turning right onto Cherry Hill Road. And that's the road that Cherry Crest Farm is located on. Now, they're not open now either. It's like a huge farm with lots of fun activities for kids and families. But there's also a Strasburg Railroad crossing there. So that's the first place where we're going to start to film the railroad. We'll just kind of like park and then wait for the railroad to cross. So that's where we are headed. And here comes another horse and buggy. And Cherry Hill Road should be coming up here shortly on the right. And here it is, Cherry Hill Road turning right. You kind of, get daydreaming, and I kind of wanted to turn at the road before this one, but I was totally daydreaming. It just is so pretty and relaxing in this area. I just love the Strasburg and Ronks area, like this whole stretch. I just love it. It's so, so beautiful. And coming over the hill, the Cherry Crest Farm is there to the left, and the Strasburg Railroad is right straight ahead of us as well. And the parking lot at Cherry Crest Farm is empty. So it's kind of nice. Pretty horse and buggy there too. So this is where we're going to start filming our railroad adventures. We like to come up here in the winter once in a while and film the Strasburg Railroad. So we just thought we would just take a nice Sunday afternoon drive, and I hope you enjoyed this drive. It was a lot of fun and just really beautiful and quiet. So whatever you're doing today, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.